Up for sale is a Aluma 2022 8120TA-R-BT-SR 81X20 utility trailer side load bifold rear gate. This trailer is ready for the road. Financing options are also available for qualified buyers. Call now to speak with the dealer and find out why we are the preferred destination for quality trailers.